Okay, so how many firecrackers did we get? About 50.
Oh, dude, I have no idea.
So we got about 50 firecrackers in this tube. Yeah, we're gonna see what it does. Explode? Maybe we gotta throw it over there.
No, we gotta throw it in this.
No.
It'll make it louder.
Dude, what if it blows up the tree stump?
Who gives a fuck?
No, throw it in the woods.
Oh wait, no, there's like a little mortar there.
That's good enough.
It looks like a mortar.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, dude, this is perfect. Watch it be a complete failure.
I know.
Let me put it in.
Yeah, that works right there. Light it.
Hold on, I'm nervous. Alright, 3.
No, fuck, it's not gonna light. It's not gonna fucking light anymore. Give me it. Hold my phone.
No, I want to light it, you bastard.
Oh yeah. Sorry.
Fuck it, I'll just use mine. Fuck safety, nigga. No.
Okay. Fuck safety. Run! That was retarded. Yeah. It just smoked.
Are you telling me that was a giant waste of time?
We spent like 40 minutes doing all this.
No, it didn't light the fucking...
You be the retard and grab it, whatever.
God damn it, I can't get it.
That was retarded. What the hell?
Alright. Ow.
It lit all of it off, dude. Open it up. It light all of it off? Let's do this.
Oh yeah, real smart asshole.
You light the fucking inside of the tube on fire.
Here, you hold it then.
Fuck you, I'm not holding it. I'm not the dumbass. Well, I guess that was a fail. We'll make a bigger one.
Let me light that. Light this, and then I'll put it in here.
Okay. Use your lighter, I'll hold it.
Here. Set this up somewhere. Like, somewhere, just have it. That's perfect.
It is, it's fucking amazing.
My lighter works. Alright, maybe Cody did not miss out. A hot Ashton set it off. If the hot ash could fucking reach it.
There, it's hot enough.
Nothing.
It lit it all off.
Huh?
Lit it all off. Let's go make a bigger one.
No, it didn't. There's still shit down there.